हेलो, नमस्कार, जय श्री श्याम। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? बहुत अच्छे। चलिए, आज अकाउंट्स के अलावा कुछ दूसरी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे। व्हाट इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फीडबैक? फीडबैक की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होती है? सबसे पहले तो फीडबैक क्या होता है बताइए। फीडबैक एक पब्लिक ओपिनियन है जो लोग आपके बारे में बनाते हैं। वो लोग बनाते हैं जिन्होंने आपके साथ एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जो आपको अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, जो आपके साथ एसोसिएट हुए हैं। वो आपके बारे में क्या राय रखते हैं, उसको फीडबैक कहते हैं। फीडबैक ज़रूरी क्यों है? फीडबैक इसलिए ज़रूरी है क्योंकि एक नेगेटिव फीडबैक हमें हमारी गलतियाँ बताता है और हमें फ्यूचर के अंदर डेवलपमेंट का ऑप्शन देता है, जबकि एक पॉजिटिव फीडबैक हमें और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है। तो फीडबैक बहुत ज़रूरी है। फीडबैक की एक सबसे अच्छी बात ये भी है कि चैंपियंस के लिए तो फीडबैक एक तरीके का ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, ये कहा गया है। तो इसी चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए, फीडबैक की इंपॉर्टेंस को अपने दिमाग में रखते हुए, लास्ट वीक में मैंने अपने बहुत सारे पुराने बच्चों को, चाहे वो पिछले साल के हों, चाहे वो और भी कई पुराने सालों के हों, 13, 14, 14, 15 या और किसी भी बैच के हों, मैंने कई सारे बच्चों को मैसेज किया कि आप हमारे को एक छोटा सा अपना फीडबैक दीजिए। मेरी हमेशा की आदत है, मैं समय समय पे अपने करंट और पुराने बच्चों से फीडबैक लेता हूँ। और फीडबैक लेने का सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज ये रहता है, मुझे ये पता चलता है कि कहाँ कहाँ मेरे पास स्कोप है इम्प्रूवमेंट्स का। और उसी चीज़ को ध्यान में रखते हुए मेरे पास कुछ कलेक्शन तैयार हुआ है। आज मैं वो कलेक्शन आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ, सो दैट आप समझ सकें कि व्हाट वुड बी द बेस्ट डिसीजन फॉर यू। एक तरीके से आप देख लीजिए, हमारे बारे में एक तरीके का ये मार्केटिंग भी है। ये इसमें हमारा नेगेटिव भी है और इसमें हमारा पॉजिटिव भी है। इसमें हमारे प्रोज भी हैं और इसमें हमारे कॉन्स भी हैं। तो प्लीज़ हैव अ लुक एट दिस वीडियो ऑन माई रिक्वेस्ट। थैंक यू, टेक केयर, जय श्री श्याम।
Saurabh sir is one of the best teachers I ever had. He makes study so enjoyable. Accounts is considered to be one of the most difficult subject in commerce field, but after studying from him, it became the easiest and most interesting subject. More than a teacher, he is like a friend to me, who always supported me not only in studies but also in other things. His way of teaching is very different and unique from other teachers, as we feel like we are just conversing from a friend, and also we understand every concept.
Hello, my name is Yash. I have studied accountancy from Saurabh sir for 2 years. He is an expertise of the subject. His way of teaching is very impressive. He teaches the subject conceptually and clears the doubts very innovatively. He not only gives the information about the subject but also gives information about other things also. I like the way of teaching the sir teaches with. Not only is a very good teacher but also a good mentor. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Devanshi Bindal. I've been Saurabh's student since 2017. Talking about his teaching style, it is best suited for me, I believe, because I do not like mugging up things. Accountancy includes laws, statements, entries, and how he teaches is he tells the reason behind every rule being made by the board, and also builds stories and examples, connecting all the things in such a way that it becomes easier to understand and retrieve. I used to get hold on the whole of the chapter by just listening to him in the class. The notes he used to give before starting any topic were life saving. I used to get confused very frequently, but whenever and wherever I asked him, he always cleared my doubts. There's no question about his knowledge on the subject. He's a great teacher, mentor, guide, counselor, and an observer, as he always get to know where am I lacking on my way to my goal without me telling him. I owe him my knowledge, my confidence, and all those corporate qualities which I gained from his personality.
Hello, my name is Ashish. I was student of Saurabh sir in plus 2. I feel myself very lucky to learn accounts from Saurabh sir. The way you teach every concept and method is simply phenomenal and can never be compared with any other faculty. Your understanding of the subject and doubt solving capability makes you a perfect teacher. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your love to all of us.
Hello everyone, whoever is watching this video. I am one of the student of Saurabh sir who studied from him in Dakshita classes in the batch 2018-19. मैं आप सभी को बताना चाहता हूँ कि सौरभ सर अकाउंटेंसी की बेस्ट फैकल्टी हैं शायद जयपुर में, जो 12th और 11th क्लास को पढ़ा रहे हैं अभी। अगर बात करूँ कि पढ़ाने के तरीके की, तो ही इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट, एज मैंने पहले भी बताया आपको। और कभी भी उनसे क्वेरी पूछनी हो या किसी भी चीज़ में प्रॉब्लम हो आपको, चाहे पर्सनल लाइफ हो, चाहे एजुकेशनल रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स हो, स्टडीज़ रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम हो, आप उनसे कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं। एंड लास्टली, मैं अपने 12th में बहुत अच्छा स्कोर कर पाया था क्योंकि मेरे पास गाइडेंस थी सौरभ सर क्लासेस की। थैंक यू।
So, my name is Devansh and I'm Saurabh Khatri sir's ex-student, and I've had the privilege of being taught by him for 3 years, and it has been an amazing experience being taught by a teacher like him, because the way he teaches is very natural and fun-loving, and students can relate to the examples that he gives while teaching them, and it like encourages students to study more, get better grades, and be better at whatever they want to be. So that's it.
I have learned a lot in your classes because you gave us the extra efforts to explain us the things more clearly. You gave me the extra help which I needed. Thank you so much, sir, for your help. You were and you will always have a great influence in my life. Thank you so much for all the things, sir. The most important thing which you ever taught me weren't the lessons about the class material, but the lessons about the life that you taught us. Thank you so much, sir, for being a bright spot and a supportive teacher in my life. Thank you.
हाय, मेरा नाम विश्वेश श्रीवास्तव है। मैं BCA लास्ट ईयर का स्टूडेंट हूँ। मैं सौरभ सर को पिछले काफ़ी सालों से जानता हूँ। मैं शायद उनसे 10th क्लास से पढ़ता हुआ आ रहा हूँ। ही इज़ द बेस्ट अकाउंट टीचर आई हैव एवर मेट। उनका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग टेक्निक, उनके क्लासरूम में अटेंड करने का बच्चों को तरीका, उनके पढ़ाने का तरीका सबसे यूनिक है। मेरे को लगता नहीं है ऐसा कोई मानसूर में और कोई भी टीचर ऐसा पढ़ा सकता है या फिर पढ़ाता होगा। ही इज़ द बेस्ट टीचर इन मानसरोवर। Thank you, sir, for everything, for making us like this, for putting effort in us. We love you, sir. That's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Shikhar, ex-student of Saurabh sir. Today I am going to share my past experience with all of you. I know Saurabh sir since past 5 years. Saurabh sir has extensive experience in teaching. His way of teaching is excellent and gives individual attention to each and every student. He explains every topic with help of examples so that every student can get deep understanding of the topic. He also provides quality-based questions for practice so that student can get idea about quality questions which are asked in exams. He focuses more on clarity of concept. He focuses on presentation and format of answer because it plays an important role in your exam. At last, I want to thank sir for guiding us, giving knowledge us and motivating us in our career. Thank you.
My name is Gargi Jain and I am Saurabh sir's ex-student. I know Saurabh sir from last 3 years. He is my teacher in class 12. He's such a wonderful teacher. He always allows us to initiate changes, initiate conversation and initiate the ideas that could make differences. And the way of his teaching is excellent, the discussion, and he's always there after the teaching as also for their students, and he always make efforts for us and he never partialate between any of us. And thank you, sir, for making learning our passion and supporting us and allowing us to make mistakes and celebrating our accomplishments. Thank you.